October live cattle closed sharply higher, and they post a new high close since October 17th of 2023. It's not only a new high for the calendar year, you have to go all the way back to October to find a day where we closed as high as we did today in that October live cattle. So October of last year. So either way, a really strong day. And this comes after, last week it looked like the October live cattle wanted to break trendline support and maybe roll over to the downside. I remember at the end of last week saying, well, we're going to have to find some strength early in the week in order to save this key support level and have a pretty significant bounce off of it. And well, guess what? Here we are. So this was a really nice feat of strength, so to speak, of the October live cattle contract. And this is happening as the cash cattle have traded higher here this week, about $1 to $1.60, $1.50 higher from last week, which is good news. But at the same time, the box beef prices have come down just a little bit, which means shrinking profit margins for the packer, which makes you wonder if this is able to continue. Now, there are still a lot of concerns that swirl around consumer demand, domestic consumer demand going into the end of the year, as the stock market has been very turbulent here lately. And of course, we have the elections and there's questions about what the Fed's going to do with interest rates. So there's still a lot of question marks. But this week, at least so far, we've really been able to shrug that off in favor of some higher prices, and the higher cash cattle prices have helped that out as well. We did also have our weekly export sales report, which was okay at 13,400 metric tons. That's down 13% from last week, but still 7% higher than the 4-week average. So really average weekly export sales. Again, we'll see where we go from here. Lots to be paying attention to, both in the live cattle fundamentals, but also in the broader picture scheme of things as well. So everybody buckle up, have a wonderful day, and stay safe.